May pa-birthday surprise ang ating my loves. Alam niya na ano, paborito ko yung sunflower. Ayan, roses. Okay. Wala tayong handa guys, pero maraming maraming cake na hindi pa naubos. Dito pa oh. Uh, Thank you, darling. May pa-flower ang ating husband. Oh. Diba? May pa-flower pa siya. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much.